Welcome to the future of construction, where speed, sustainability, and scalability are redefining the way we build. This is R-Zone Modulars, Canada's leader in modular construction, delivering high-volume, cost-effective, and code-compliant housing solutions. Canada is facing a critical housing shortage. By 2030, we need 5.8 million new homes. R-Zone Modulars is answering this challenge with cutting-edge steel structure MIC technology, capable of producing up to 20,000 high-quality modular units per month. Faster, smarter, and built to last. With our advanced prefabrication system, we integrate LOD 400-level designs, automate labor and material calculations, and achieve 300% efficiency and quality control. Our heavy-duty H-beam steel production line delivers unmatched strength, precision, and durability. R-Zone Modulars doesn't just build faster, we build better. From housing to critical infrastructure, we're redefining the future of modular construction across Canada. R-Zone Modulars, building the future, one module at a time. Ready to build faster and smarter? Partner with us today. Visit www.rzonemodulars.com to learn more.